How has it gone? Obviously I'm outside, the Cossie's out. I'm going to use this as a night to set up the boost, so I'm going to be taking it a drive in probably quarter of an hour, 20 minutes or so. Basically everybody will be away by that point, it works in this state, and I actually need to run home. I'm just going to run home in 2 minutes to upload a video onto YouTube. The last video obviously you would have seen, and then I'll be back to drive this and see how it all goes. But obviously I thought I'd just video this bit now since it's still light, because it'll probably be getting dark in a couple of minutes. Then I'll just quickly show you some stuff for the motor since it's out. As you can see, there's loads of it. The motor's been sitting outside for 1 hour and it's covered nice. That's how cold it is here. So that's cool. Probably not the best night to be doing this, but it's done. As well predicted, because he's flat, that's me back for uploading. I'll put that video on to upload, but because he's flat, it's frozen. The battery's flat, should I say. And ambers came up, so we're using Hawker to jump it. And as you can see, they like bright colours. So bright orange, bright green. Aye, hopefully it fires up in 2 wee settings. And I just checked, it's -5. Apparently it's dropping quite fast as well. So I don't know if we'll be able to proper get into it in the Cossie, but we're sure going to still got to get it run, make sure everything works, try and be happy, everything, try and make some boosts, see what's happening with the boost controller, make sure that works, and let's not go and lean. That's the goals for the night, that's the goals for this video. So hopefully in a couple of wee minutes we'll be taking a drive. Obviously once I fire it up I'll need to heat it up, and I also need to scrape the windows because it's been sitting outside for 2 hours and it's completely frozen, which is ridiculous.
Your main light's currently acting as a strobe light. Aye. Aye.
Looks to be going a tight. So that was its first wee drive. It was feeling good. It was feeling nice and lively. Obviously, it's far too icy to get into it. I just couldn't do it. And I've also hardly any brakes. I need to bleed the brakes again. I think it's still air in there. The pedal's near enough on the floor. I definitely need to tend to that. But it felt nice. It felt good. As I say, I think the AFR. I'm not sure because I could only get on it for 2 seconds. I couldn't actually get it proper into boost to see to watch the gauge, if you know what I mean. So I probably need to wait to a nicer day to do that and then watch the gauge, make sure it's not going to mean. It certainly didn't sound like it was going to mean. It didn't misfire. It was flaming. It was quite fuel reeky, so I don't think it is. I wouldn't think it is, but I like to be sure. If I'm still not happy, I'll probably get Andy a phone and go back down to Andy Gallagher's dyno and run it up again and make sure it's fine. But apart from that, the one thing I did notice is why the fuel pump sounds quieter than the other. They're both the same pump. Obviously I run 2 fuel pumps, so I don't know if that's got an issue with it. I don't know if one of the fuel pumps is on its way out, maybe. I don't know. But apart from that, it was mint. All I need to do really is beat up the brakes. I've got a solid gearbox mount to go on it that we didn't have when I built it, so we'll be putting that on, and that's it. Buzzing. Definitely sounds good, and it's flaming. It was flaming like mad sitting out there revving it up, so chuffed for that. It definitely came a long way. It was good to be first drive there, so definitely happy. I'll probably just walk around like a saddle, take some videos, some pictures of the motor, and I think that will do us. But thanks for watching. I hope you've enjoyed watching the motor getting built to the stage set and actually running and driving again. And it will not be a long time out. My race licence came through the door the other day as well, so I sorted there. I'm buzzing. Can't wait to get back out. It looks awesome, so can't wait to get back out. The one other thing I forgot to mention there, the one big change to the motor gearbox. The gearbox is awesome. It's literally like somebody driving past the garage. There's literally like no other dog box I've ever felt in my life. It's so smooth, so nice, so easy. Every other dog box I've drove is always like crunchy into gear, and you need to be really aggressive with them and really on it to get them to work, and like flat shifting and things like that, and just proper sending it with that. You can literally one finger bang into gear and it just goes. It's just honestly amazing. That R&D 5-speed is what it is. Straight cut with a dog leg first, and it just feels absolutely amazing. So happy to finally have a decent box rather than the standard ones that keep breaking on us.